Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool Bluetooth speaker that sounds absolutely amazing. So this was sent over by a company called Xinborry, and it's going to come in this little box right here. And this is their portable wood-looking Bluetooth speaker. It is the Model M10 Pro. It's going to obviously come with a little instruction manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now you also are going to get a USB to USB Type-C cable. This is what you're going to utilize to power up the speaker, charge up that battery. And then it's also going to get basically a standard auxiliary headphone jack in case you want to go ahead and plug this into like a CD player or something external, a music device, whatever, because it does have that auxiliary port. But once you open it up, this is what the speaker looks like. So as you can see, it has this nice clean wood look to it. It has a massive subwoofer right here in the middle. This is a 20-watt woofer, and then it's going to have two tweeters on the side, which are each 5 watts. Now it does have this nice little fabric frame around it, and then once again on the back you also have a nice wood look. You're going to have basically the hole to get the air in, and then along the top you're going to have the controls. So first you're going to have the auxiliary input, then you're going to have a micro SD card slot. So if you do have any music on a micro SD card, you can just slide that in and play there. And then you're going to have a little reset button, which I'll never use. It's going to be a little light showing you that it's charging. And then you're going to have the USB-C plug to power this guy up. Now on the top, that is where all the controls are. So first off, you're going to notice you're going to have the power button itself to turn it on. You're going to have the plus and minus buttons to basically control the volume or skip a song if you wish. You have the play pause button, so you can completely control this, whether you're streaming music from your laptop or your phone or tablet. And then you're gonna have this little triangle button. That triangle button is going to allow you to connect multiple of these speakers. So if you want this sound going all throughout your house, you can do that. It does support Bluetooth 5.3, which is got a long connection in an open field. It's 100 feet, so you should be able to easily get these throughout your house. And this can support up to 100 of these speakers and stream that music all over the place if you so desire. But how does it sound? Because that's the main thing. Like I said, this does sound pretty incredible. It has a nice, deep, rich bass, which really surprised me of how well it does sound with the bass. It has a great mid-tone as well. Pretty impressive for this little size of a speaker. Now to give you an idea of the size here, it is about 9 3/4 inches wide. It is about 3 1/4 inches in depth and about 5 inches in height. So it is a nice little kind of compact speaker. Fits really well nice on a shelf, nightstand, computer desk, whatever, wherever you want to utilize it. Now, if you do connect this to your cell phone, you can also utilize this through phone calls if you wish. There is a microphone built into here, so you can talk through it if you wish. I don't really use that feature. I only use it for streaming. But overall, if you are looking for a really nice, just little portable speaker that has this nice little wood aesthetic to it, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.